there, welcome to the video about circumference of a circle. To find the circumference of a circle, you must know the formula. The formula to find circumference of a circle is 2 pi r or pi d. 2 pi r means 2 times pi times r or pi times d. Why we can use both the formulas we will discuss. If you are new to circles, you can watch our other video, the first video about circles, which tells you all the basics about circle, what are all the parts of circle. Okay, let's continue. So circumference is the length or the distance around. The other name for circumference is perimeter, which we use when we have shapes with straight lines. So whenever you have shapes with straight line, we actually call distance around a shape its perimeter, but in circle we call it circumference because there is no straight line. Okay, to find the circumference you use the formula, which as I told you in the beginning, 2 times pi times radius. Pi is a symbol which has got value of 22/7, or if you convert it into decimal number and you round it, it is 3.14, but that's rounded value of pi. It's not exact value of pi. So you can easily use the pi symbol from your calculator to find the circumference of a circle. How you will find it in your calculator, let me tell you. So as you can see, this is our scientific calculator. So to get pi in it, you will press the shift key first, and then after pressing the shift key you will press this key which says times 10 to the power x. So you can see here a small pi. There is a small pi here. Okay, so shift, and after shift you'll press this key and then you will get pi here. Okay, so what you will press first, if you will find the circumference of a circle, you will write 2 times, then you will press shift and 10 to the power key, you will get pi times your radius, and that will give you the circumference. Once you will get circumference, you will get the circumference like let's say the radius is 3. You will get, after pressing equal, you will get 6 pi. Okay, once you'll get 6 pi, you have to press this key SD, which converts your 6 pi into a decimal number. Then you will get your exact answer. This is how you will use calculator to find circumference. Okay, let's go back to our question. Okay, so we use the formula 2 pi r. Okay, and why they have given us a second formula? Because as we know, radius is half of the diameter. So in this formula it's 2 times r and then multiplied with pi. So you are actually doubling your radius to find the circumference. But if you directly have got diameter, you don't need to double your radius. You will just do pi times diameter. So it depends on what you are getting in the question. So if they give you radius, use 2 pi r, or double the radius and multiply it with pi, or if you have diameter, multiply it with pi directly. Let's see an example. So in this question we have got the radius. Okay, this is the center, from center to the boundary of circle, that's radius. Okay, so now we'll use our formula with radius. So circumference is 2 pi r. When you would write this in your calculator as 2 times pi times radius, which is 4, you will get 25.13274. I rounded to 3 significant figures, 1, 2, 3. So it's actually 25.1 centimeter, the circumference. Let's see how we'll use the other formula for it. To use other formula, which is circumference is equal to pi d. Okay, so radius is 4, so diameter will be 8, double of 4. So pi times 8. You can see we were actually doing the same thing here. 2 times 4 turns into 8, 8, and then you multiply it with pi in the end, you get the same answer. Even here you will get the same answer, which will be 25.1 centimeter. So they both are same thing. We are doing the same thing. It's just, it depends on you which one you feels easy. If they give you radius in the question, use 2 pi r. If they give you diameter in the question, use pi d. Depends on you. Okay, both formulas will give you same answer. Both formula will give you same answer. Okay, so let's do some examples before we end this video. In this one, I can see that the diameter is given, and in the second circle I can see the radius is given. So for this circle I will use the formula C is equal to pi d, which means C is equal to pi times diameter, which is 2, and the answer will be 6.2831 and some more decimals after it. I usually round my numbers to 3 significant figures, so 1, 2, 3. The next digit is 3, round down, so the answer will be 6.28 centimeter. Same thing here. You have radius, not diameter. You can convert it into diameter, just double it, it will be 5, or use radius. The formula we'll use is 2 pi r. So what I'll do is 2 times pi times radius, which is 2.5. I will get 707 and some more decimals. I'll round it to 3 significant figures. There is 0 next to it, so it's round down, so it will stay 15.7 centimeter. This is how we find circumference with diameters and radius. I hope this video is of help to you. Share and subscribe our channel to support, and have a nice day.